Assalamu alaikum dear student, how are you all? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear student, today I am going to take a science class for class 7 student. Dear student, our today's topic is extra creative questions and answers. Let us see today's topic. Our today's topic is extra creative questions and answers, and this is lecture number 23, and I will give you HW. Our HW number will be 20 number HW. So dear student, let us start today's class. Here is a 14 number creative questions, and this is the based on our suggestion. We have already provided you suggestions, and this is 14 number question and answer. Here is a stem. You can see here is a three figure A, B and figure C. A number question is, what is figure C? What is figure C? B number question is, explain the differences between figure A and B, that means this figure and this figure. And C number, explain what will happen if the quantity of substance in figure A decrease in our body. D number is, explain the role of figure A, B, C in functioning of the body. Now the answer, creative questions answer 14 number. Our A number question was, what is figure C? What is figure C? The answer is, figure C is platelets or thrombocytes. This is platelets or thrombocytes. And B number answer, B number question was, explain the differences between figure A and B. Answer is, figure A is red blood cells or erythrocytes, and figure B is of white blood cells or leukocytes. In the following two distinctions are given. One number, red blood cell has no nucleus, but white blood cell has nucleus. If you see this picture, in figure A, here is no nucleus and here is nucleus. That means this is red blood cell and this one is white blood cell. 2 number, a red blood cell is composed predominantly of a protein and an iron compound called hemoglobin, and it gives the blood its red color, but white blood cells have no hemoglobin and are essentially colorless. Now C number answer. Our C number question was, explain what will happen if the quantity of substance in figure A decrease in our body. Answer is, the figure A is of red blood cells. For our body, red blood cells are very important. In blood, the quantity of red blood corpuscles is 45% red cell of human being around and have no nucleus in it. There is one type of iron material known as hemoglobin in red blood corpuscle. Color of blood becomes red due to the presence of hemoglobin. When the amount of hemoglobin decreases in blood, it is called anemia. People suffer from anemia due to the shortage of balanced diet. Red blood corpuscles are produced from bone marrow. The average lifespan of red cell of our body is 120 days. The number of red cell is about 50 lakhs in every cubic millimeter in an adult man. the number of the red blood cell of a woman is comparatively less. Now, D number question answer. D number question was explain the role of figure A, B, C in functioning of the body. Answer is in animal body red blood corpuscles, white blood corpuscles and platelets perform different types of functions. Some functions are given below. One number is oxygen carrier. The hemoglobin in the erythrocytes acts as the vehicle that carries oxygen from the lungs to all parts of the body. 2 number carbon dioxide carrier. The carbon dioxide produced as a waste product by the cell is carried by the blood to the lungs. 3 number is nutrient carrier. The digested food products are carried by the blood stream to all the cells of the body. 4 number remover of waste products. The plasma carries the waste products from all parts of the body to the lungs, kidneys, liver and skin where they can be eliminated or rendered harmless. 5 number body defense. The blood also contains substances which protect the body against certain diseases. The leukocytes are able to attack and destroy the microorganisms that cause diseases. Hence, they are the defense force of the body. 6 number body temperature. The flow of the blood helps to keep the temperature of the body uniform. 7 number hormone carrier. The blood carries the secretion of the endocrine or ductless glands. 8 number blood clotting. When there is hemorrhage, the platelets set in the clotting process and stop bleeding. Now, 15 number creative question and answer. Now, we will discuss about that. You can see here is a stem and here is a mark A and this one is B. A number question is what is galvanizing? B number is photosynthesis is chemical process explain. C number explain the change of part mark B, that means this part. D number give argument whether physical or chemical change occurred in figure A. Now the answer creative question answer number 15. A number question was what is galvanizing. The answer is to give a layer of zinc in an ionic stuff is called galvanizing. Now B number answer question was photosynthesis is chemical process explained. In photosynthesis the plants produce glucose and oxygen by the reaction of carbon dioxide and water with the help of light. The produced glucose works in the growth of plants and oxygen helps us in breathing. It has been absorbed that. The produced substance in photosynthesis glucose and oxygen are completely different than reactant carbon dioxide and water. That is why it is chemical change. Now C number answer. C number question was explain the change of part mark B. The answer is in part mark B some portion of wax is melting. The portion that is melting and kept at downward is physical change because here the wax returns to its previous state just after melting and that does not make any change in its property. Now D number answer. D number question was give argument whether physical or chemical change occurred in figure A. The answer is in figure A, candle turns to carbon dioxide and water by reacting with oxygen and producing light and heat energy. Since the produced carbon dioxide is colorless and the water is colorless and become vaporized, we cannot see that. Thus, such transform in candle is chemical change, because in this situation the wax of candle turns completely to different substance named carbon dioxide and water. Now, we will discuss about creative question. 16 number. 16 number, here is the step. Mr. Selim is a rich businessman in his locality. He likes to eat fatty fish and meat and oily food. He is a smoker. He scarcely goes for walks or takes any physical exercise. One day, returning from office, he felt pain on the left side of his chest. His wife rushed him to a nearby hospital. After examining him, doctor said that Mr. Selim is suffering from heart disease. Now, question A number is heart is composed of how many layers, and B number question is differentiate between artery and vein, and C number question is explain how blood circulates through heart with diagram, and D number is how could Mr. Selim prevent heart diseases. Now, we will discuss about answer. The answer, A number answer is heart is composed of the 3 layers. Now, B number question was differentiate between artery and vein. Answer is the distinctions between artery and vein are given below. Here is artery, this box, and 1 number is it carries oxygenated blood from heart to different parts of the body, and this portion is vein, and here is 1 number difference is it carries deoxygenated blood and carbon dioxide from different parts of the body to heart, and 2 number point is here artery, its wall is thick having small cavity but no valve, and 2 number vein point is its wall is thin having large cavity and cone valves. Now, C number answer. C number question was explain how blood circulates through heart with diagram. We have drawn here a diagram of hearts, and you have to draw this picture with level, and you have to draw like this way. This is blood circulation of heart, and the answer is heart is formed by a special type of involuntary muscle called cardiac muscle. When the heart contracts, blood from the heart flows, it will be flows through artery to different parts of the body. When the heart expands, blood from different parts reach to the heart through vein. In this, it will be reached to the heart through vein. In this way, blood flows from the heart to the different parts of the body and comes back to the heart when heart contracts and expands. And D number answer is question was how could Mr. Selim prevent heart diseases? Answer is Mr. Selim could prevent, it will be prevent heart diseases by following ways. 1 number is avoid taking high protein and starchy food. 2 number develop the habit of doing regular physical labor such as playing, walking, physical exercise. And 3 number taking balanced foods regularly. And 4 number, give up the habit of smoking. 5 number, try to avoid too much heavy mental labor, too much mental pressure and remain anxiety free. 6 number, develop the habit of taking fresh fruits and vegetables regularly. 7 number, not allowing body weight to increase much. Overweight enhance blood pressure of the heart, as a result heart is affected. So dear student, I have finished my today's topic. Now I will give you HW. Our today's HW number is 20 number HW. This is 20 number HW and your HW will be creative question answer 14. Based on this suggestion, and sub number will be A, B and C. That means this 14 number creative question and sub number is A number, B number and C number. This will be your SW and this is 20 number SW. So dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and do your SN SW in your SW copy and you will get 2.5 marks for each SW. So dear students, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.